I'm Valerie, Area Manager of the National Learning Network, the Raheen Business Park in Limerick. National Learning Network is the largest private vocational training organisation in Ireland. We have training facilities in every single county in the country, so no matter where you are, there's a National Learning Network near you. We are funded by the Limerick Clare Education Training Board, who provide support and finance to us to run our programmes. Our programme range from QQI level 3 to QQI level 5. Our outcomes from all of our training programmes are excellent. We consistently achieve 95% positive outcomes for the people who complete our courses. And most importantly, we have no educational entry requirements, and people over 16 can join our programmes if they are suitable and if they wish to do so.
Hi, I'm Catherine. I look after the marketing and PR for the Midwest region of National Learning Network.
Hi, I'm Kakoli Chaudhary. I'm the Centre Secretary and the bookkeeper for National Learning Network, Raheen and NS Centre. And together, me and Catherine look after all the administration for.
Hi, my name is Jackie O'Donovan. I work for National Learning Network as the rehabilitation psychologist. I work as part of a team with the rehabilitation officer and other staff. Part of my role is to identify learner needs and any supports that you may need during your time with us.
Hiya, my name is Maura. I'm the rehabilitation officer here in the centre in Limerick. And my job is to work closely with the psychologist, and it is to help you, the students, to settle into the centre. And then also, when you're finishing, to help you make a decision about where you want to go in your future. I also work throughout the term of the course, helping people to develop stress management techniques and identify their strengths and interests. Mainly I work one-to-one, but from time to time I would take people in groups. We can develop and learn new skills in a group setting.
Hi, my name is Meena Ginan, and my role at National Learning Network has been of a work-related social skills instructor, which involves facilitating learners in the areas of career planning, personal interpersonal skills, in addition to work experience. I facilitate the learners to find the job by taking into consideration their interest, their hobbies, and their talents. This involves helping them to collaborate with various work sectors and job opportunities that are available locally, preparing them for successful interviews and creating professional CVs, covering letters, and assisting them in putting together a successful job kit. Okay, there is a huge emphasis on building positive and effective working relationship on one-to-one basis and as part of a team, helping them to consider their personal qualities and the skills at the stage. Participants also learn their rights, their responsibilities in the workplace in developing constructive conflict resolution and assertiveness skills, which are very much essential as a part of the workplace today.
Hi, my name is Laura O'Connell. I am one of the instructors here on the Career Start in National Learning Network Raheen. Career Start is an 18-month vocational exploration course. Students come here to help them bridge the gap between school and what they'd like to do next. We offer QQI, major award in employability skills, and some level 4 modules. We run IT, word processing, desktop publishing, spreadsheets, and we also do vocational courses, example, workplace safety, health and safety, career prep, and work experience. Along with that, we offer some training in soft skills, personal development in modules such as personal effectiveness and self-advocacy.
Hi, my name is Trina and I'm another instructor on the Career Start programme. I cover modules such as Career Start or Career Prep, Work Experience, and the IT, Word, Computer Literacy and Internet. On the Career Start programme, there's a lot of emphasis on developing independence and developing the students' independence towards independent travel, meeting people, social skills, because these are skills that are needed in the workplace. The 18-month programme would also have a huge emphasis on going out and work experience, where these social skills would be very, very important to the employer.
Hello, my name is Mairead. I am an employer-based training coordinator with the National Learning Network. Our participants have trained in such areas as childcare, special needs assistance, hospitality, landscape and gardening, retail, administration and office, hairdressing and barbering, reception, and a range of other career options.
Hi, my name's Sue. I am an employer-based training coordinator with the National Learning Network. Employer-based training is a program that allows you to train in a specific area of interest to you. You will train with an employer along with their staff as a member of their team, while retaining all the supports that our training centre can offer you. We can help you gain training in a range of different areas of interest to you, and we'll work with you towards your ideal career choice, offer you certification and qualifications, and support you in gaining and retaining employment. We hope for all of you when you join us is that you will, at the end of the programme, have a job or be ready to progress on to further training to work towards that career goal that you may have.
Hi, my name is Emily Cleary and I'm a catering instructor here at National Learning Network, and this is our catering unit where we run our QQI Level 4 catering support. And I'm the production chef.
This is the IT Office Skills Training Room. Students on this programme can avail of ECDL, Microsoft Office Specialist, Computerised Accounts and Payroll. Progression routes from this programme have led to LIT and to employment.
This is our PC Maintenance and IT Systems programme. It is a 2-year full-time programme with continuous intake. All students are offered the opportunity to complete the following certification. Our certifications include EBCI, the European Certificate in PC Maintenance and Networking, which includes history of computers, components and parts used in a computer, operating systems, troubleshooting, fault finding and networking. There are 3 online EBCI exams to complete this certification. We also offer 9 new ECDL exams, which includes Computer Essentials, Online Essentials, IT Security, Word Processing, Spreadsheets, Database, PowerPoint, Image and Web Editing. On completion of these 9 new ECDL exams and the 3 EBCI exams, you are awarded an IT diploma. This leads on to further qualifications such as CompTIA IT Fundamentals, A+ Entry-Level Technician, Cisco IT Essentials, and a host of other courses run through eCollege.
Stuff in National Learning Network. Well, my name is Imad and I'm going to talk about my experience in National Learning Network. I was really lost, don't know where to go until I applied to National Learning Network and got accepted. In National Learning Network, I have made a very nice friend and they become my best friends, and the teachers have an awesome way to teach and they will help you to decide what you want. And in National Learning Network, I have improved my confidence, and I know it's really hard to get a work experience. They will help you as well. Trust me, there is no one will put you under pressure. So in National Learning Network, you have lots of opportunities. So for me, after National Learning Network, I have applied to LCFE and I did a course there. And now I'm applying to software development in LIT. So for anyone who doesn't know where to go, I highly recommend National Learning Network.
For further information, you can find us on nln.ie, or you can call us here at the centre 061 229 777, or indeed Limerick at nln.ie. Thank you.